So right now I am making like a leave-in conditioner. So in here there's marshmallow fruit, slippery elm, and I think about 5 cloves. Okay, so I'm going to let it boil. It is saturated, as you can see. It's under the water. Okay. This leave-in conditioner was inspired by, I believe, Yaya Creations. It was her DIY leave-in conditioner. It's supposed to give a lot of slip as well. And also I'll be using vegetable glycerine. I'll be using olive oil for the oil instead of avocado oil because I don't have avocado oil. And then I'll be using castor oil, the store-bought one, not the dark one, but the cold pressed one, the refined one. Okay, I think it's by Nature's Valley or something like that. I'll be using that. I did not use aloe in this recipe because I'm trying to see if it is the aloe that's making me shed. I hope not, but if it is, then that's okay. I'll just substitute aloe for something else. Okay. So, but her recipe does have aloe in it. Like, I think it's aloe gel in it. I think that is it. I will be letting it boil, letting it get thick. Okay, it's watery now. I'm gonna let it get thick, and then strain it, and then put it in a bottle. Maybe a spray bottle, depending on how thick it gets. Okay, I was gonna put flaxseed in it too, but I'll do that next time. Then I'll be adding vitamin E oil, and then my favorite essential oil, which is lemongrass, lavender, and maybe tea tree. I don't know yet, but that's it. That is it. So this is the final consistency. I did end up adding some rose petals in there. Okay, just to give it that aroma. Okay, it is still piping hot. I added some in here so I can freeze the rest because I am not putting a preservative and I want to freeze the rest. I'm taking off the old label that I had here. Okay, it is extremely hot. I squeezed it in my my bag is washed right here, so I put it there to dry, but I squeezed it in my cheesecloth, and then not bag but cheesecloth. And I'm going to refrigerate it, add some essential oils, add some oils, which is the castor oil. I might add the lavender oil, lemongrass. I'm going to definitely add the vitamin E. I'm not going to add any oils to this because I'm going to save it for another day. I'm going to freeze it, put it in the deep freezer, and then I'll be definitely refrigerating this. I'm not sure which bottle I'm going to use to store it in so I can use it as a moisturizer. Probably this bottle right here. Easier application. I'll take out the label. I'm going to date it and then name it and call it a day. I have my second set of braids in. Everything's looking okay. But I did moisturize my hair, meaning like I sprayed it with water because I did not use the aloe vera juice. So I sprayed it with water, and then I added butter to the end just a few days ago, and then I added some oils. I'm trying not to be excessive with the oils when it comes to my scalp because I don't want like no dandruff or buildup. Okay, I'm doing the process of elimination. Wow, that's the first. Yeah, I'm doing the process of elimination. Hopefully when I do take these braids out, everything is okay. But I feel like taking them out soon, but we'll see. Yeah, so aloe vera juice may be the thing that just doesn't work for me, and I'm very sad about that because it's easily accessible and it's cheap. But it's all good. I really wanted it to work for me. It might be, it might not, so we will see. I'll keep you guys updated.